Hello, my name is Mariano Renteria, and I'm the owner of Falcon Roofing. We repair and replace all types of roofs and inspect all types of roofs for residential and commercial clients throughout the South Bay area. In addition to our full-service roofing, our family-owned and operated company has training and equipment to install gutters and exterior siding. Our customers know that if they ever have a problem, we'll be there to take care of it. That's why about 70% of our business comes through referrals. To ensure quality, our project manager has a list to go over at the end of the job to ensure that everything is done properly. On every type of material that we do, we have a training for our crews to know how it's installed and repaired, and to ensure the customer that he's not going to have any problems. Most fears on clients, from my experience, is they're afraid of the quality of work and no warranties on the job, not being able to find whoever did their job before. With us, we're a local company that you could find us 24 hours a day. And we include up to 20 years of warranty labor, depending on the job that we do. If you're looking into having your roof repaired or re-roofed, give us a call. We would love to work with you.